This is our logo, you know what I'm saying? Got MATC, Mac Transport and Logistics, our lion for strength and power.
Alright y'all, what's up man? Welcome back to the channel you guys. Welcome back to another video. So in the last video we left you guys just about to put on the decal, so that is what we're about to do today right now. So I'm going to show you pretty much how I'm doing it, the steps I took and the things I used to put the decals on the truck. Maybe this can help you guys out. Y'all know how I am, man. I like to show when I do things, and if you guys can take tips from it, then you know, so be it. Let's jump right into the video. Follow me over here and I'm going to show you what we're going to use to put these decals on. First thing you're gonna need is a bottle of soap water. We just got some water and some dishwashing liquid. Not sure what the water is here for, but I know you need some Scotch tape. You're gonna need lint-free cloth, measuring tape. You got a scissors just in case we need to make any adjustments. And then of course your decals. Let's jump right into it. I got my right hand with me. Wifey is gonna be helping put the decals on. What are you gonna say, babe?
I'm just supervising. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Supervising.
I'm the assistant right now.
Yeah, so this is it, man. We're about to throw the decals on, guys. We're excited, man, and nervous at the same time. So I'm hoping we don't mess this up.
We nervous as shit.
Yeah,
but
man,
we got this. We got this.
Yeah, so all right, man, let's jump right into it, you guys. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start small. We're gonna put our truck number on the bumper. This is kind of where I had it before, so I'm pretty much just replicating what, you know, the company did with me when I was leased on. We're gonna put a truck number in the front bumper and the back bumper. So first step, I'm gonna clean it up. Forgot to mention, y'all, that you're gonna need one of these or a credit card or something. So I'm actually I'm doing it backwards right now, where I'm just making sure that the decal is pretty much stuck to this side. This is called the hinge method, is what we've learned. We put the tape on the top. So next thing we're gonna do is pretty much get rid of this bottom piece. So lift it up like this. We're gonna get this out, and then we are going to now
Truck 111. It's ready.
Oh shit, I kind of like that color too.
It's good. Just making sure it's not lean. All right, y'all, so we got the numbers on, the truck number, and our decals on for social media. Next is a big step, man. Can't get this one wrong at all. And then we're gonna slap the numbers right under it, so let's get to it. You gotta make sure the numbers gotta go on top of that. Everything's gotta fit before that line.
So what I did was I measured on both sides.
Bring the numbers a little bit more towards the right.
All right, y'all, the battery died, so switch to the phone. Wifey over here is preparing to get the passenger side done. We got the decals on the back mirrors done. We got our truck number. As y'all can see, here we go. We got the decal on the door on the driver's side. So we didn't realize we forgot to have the US put in there, so we're gonna get US DOT. Once that comes in, we'll be putting that on tomorrow. Still got a few touches to make on this side, but we're gonna get to that soon. I think it came out pretty good, y'all. I'm gonna have wifey do this one. When you do that though, measure from here, babe, and go down 10 inches. The top of the decal should be not the paper, but the seat. So then once you get that measurement right, then you put the tape on. Right at the letter, go up to 10. All right. It's getting dark, you guys. Let wifey take over.
Yeah, so I can get the blame if it comes out lean, huh?
If it come out lean, it's staying on there lean. Hey, what's going on, y'all, man? So listen, yesterday got dark, man. We started late, but no biggie, man. We out here on the next day, about to finish up, man. We got just a couple more letters to put on. Like I told you guys, we forgot to place the order with the US DOT, and it was just DOT. Heard a few different things. Heard you can run without it, heard you can't. We're just gonna go with what the norm is doing. As far as we know, you gotta have the US DOT on there. So anyways, we're about to go ahead and wrap this up, get the US on there, and then that'll be it for the truck. The only thing I gotta do is put the trailer numbers on the trailer. That's when I go out to the trailer. So y'all probably won't see that, man, and that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. But let's go ahead and knock that out, get this going, y'all. Alright, you guys, there you have it, man. Everything is done as far as the truck. Just added the US to the DOT. So let me show y'all what it looks like, and we're gonna be wrapping up this video, man. Alright, you guys, that is a wrap, man. Fortunately, my other half can't be here, the wife. You know, she's at work today. We are completely done with putting the decals on, so you know, next move is hitting the road, man. Once again, I appreciate you guys. Let me really quick though tell you guys what I'd probably do different. We made the mistake of ordering the decals without the US, so that's why it looks a little bit off. Probably should have had the MC number probably a little bit to the left, so it's a little bit more even. Show y'all real quick. We got a magnet to cover the decals whenever we're in town. We did this just because we also have the RV, so if we wanted to take a trip and didn't want the spotlight to be on us while, you know, in transit with the RV. Anyhow, we try to match it close as possible with the color of the truck, but as y'all can see, it definitely is not the best, but it'll do, man. It's better than white, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it.